It's basically the storyline is from the Theyyam, traditional Theyyam called Kadivannur Veeran. And traditionally how it's performed is the Theyyam artist or the Kolakaran comes in and either he narrates the story with the Totem Paatu, that's the song, or there are members separately for music who, it's like a lead and chorus kind of a thing that's going on. But here I did only a solo.
Do something like that.
I think when you're involved in the story, it's not just the actor who's telling the story. I think all of us as a team are telling a story. So it doesn't, I can't feel that, although my arm is paining, it's like, okay, you don't feel it actually, you just are so engrossed in the telling of the story.
Yes. And this is from a Sanskrit drama?
So Theyyam is a ritual art form from Kerala. It's practiced in the northern parts of Kerala. And the basic text and everything is in Malayalam. So whatever songs that we sang today are also in Malayalam.
But it sounded very Sanskritized.
It's Manipuravalam also, like some Sanskrit, and so a lot of inspiration from the Sanskrit text, but basically Malayalam. So initially Carolina, Akshay and I sat and did the basic choreography of it. We conceptualized the thing, but then we had a lot of mentors who came in and gave their eye to it, like Sadanam Balkrishnan sir. Then we had a lot of inspiration drawn from this documentary made by Anil Kumar sir. He's made a beautiful documentary called Daivakaru, The Memoirs of a Tragic God. So a lot of information, because I'm a non-Malayali person. So for me to understand the story, and so what, even in the documentary, the main Theyyam artist says that the totem has to really get the story and really feel the story inside. I think that's what really happens every time I sing for the piece. I think I really get inside the story of every word that I'm saying. So yeah, that's the process. I think it's a collaborative dramaturgy, I can say. There's no one particular person.
Yes, and I mean, to have this kind of fantastic, spectacular venue,
yes,
must be a dream come true.
Yes,
Although
yes.
I interviewed you last year also when you were performing in Kalabhumi.
Yeah.
When your team.
Yes, yes.
Fantastic performance.
Yes.
But this is even more special. This really feels like something out of Natya Shastra, you know. I mean, you'll have everything so organic.
Yes.
Outdoor.
Yes.
So how was that experience? Have you performed this indoors also?
We've performed it, I think every time we've performed it outdoors. Yeah, we've not performed it inside an auditorium. Either it's an open stage or a field like this. It's been like that. We don't know if somebody offers us a stage inside an auditorium. We'll have to adapt to that.
Particular performance.
I think the story is about every other couple that first falls in love, then when they get married and they're settled, they start getting these intense fights, and then sometimes they get apart. And so usually the Theyyam is invited inside a house with such grievances, you can say, to sort of give them a perspective as to why they got married and how they can subconsciously correct this. That's what I think the basic purpose of a Theyyam is to make you feel that you're not the only one here, and you actually are in harmony with the community of nature and of people and animals and everything. So I think choosing a story and the set design and everything in itself, in the Theyyam style, is in itself, I think, emanating harmony in that sense. So
sincerity comes in, and how much you invest yourself in it.
Yes, I think even every artist who was in as a part of this show, I think is very, very sincere in each step they're taking. Also, as in the story, we sort of get lost in our lives. We get lost, but then there is this sincerity that keeps you grounded, and you know, it makes you feel like everything is figure outable. Like, you know,
That was a nice phrase.
Yes,
I think that's the best soundbite it got so far on sincerity.
Yeah, thank you so much for giving this space for Colorigram, and it's very nice to have such audience, and very nice to have people after the show coming and asking what it is about, and getting audience engagement is, I think we've been missing that in the COVID times, and bringing back in every venue where we perform. It's very important for us. Thank you.
Thank you. And do you think is it a classical art or is it more of a folk?
I think it's a folk art. It's a folk ritual art, actually. So a lot of things that you saw was ritual, and
I keep looking at my
but I don't know how to classify classical and ritual or folk, because every artist who's performing is undergoing a very rigorous training. So I'm not for this classical ritual. I think every art that makes an impact on you is art.
Yes, because especially in a place like Chennai, you have all this kacheri culture, which thinks this
Yes.
high art and everything else is.
Yes, yes, I have a bit of a problem with that. So I myself am a Carnatic singer, but I want to really include myself in every circle that inspires me. So I mean, this is very, very inspiring to me. Even I carry this in my daily whatever. Yeah.
Great. I didn't get your name once.
My name is Shubhashri.
Shubhashri.
Yes, I'm a Kalaripayat. Yeah, I'm a Kalaripayat student. I'm a student of Lakshmanji, and been with Colorigram for 10 years now.